How to set WhatsApp profile picture without losing quality. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this quick tutorial video, I will show you how to set WhatsApp profile picture without losing quality. Firstly, open WhatsApp app on your device. Make sure to log in and update your application. Now open any chat and tap on the camera icon at bottom right corner of the screen to select any image that you want to set WhatsApp profile picture without losing quality. You can either choose from your gallery or you can simply take a photo from here as well. Once you have taken a photo, tap on the SD at top left corner of the screen. And here on this media quality, choose the SD quality and the photo has been set to the SD quality. Now tap on the arrow at bottom right corner of the screen to send the image to this chat. Open that image and tap on the three dots at top right corner of the screen. Tap on the save button and it has been saved successfully. Go back to the home page of WhatsApp, tap three dots at top right corner of the screen and select settings. Tap on the profile at the top left corner of the screen, choose the camera icon and select the same image. And here you have the SD quality picture. Now you can easily save the WhatsApp profile picture without losing quality by tapping on the down button at bottom right corner of the screen. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos.